It's my pleasure to congratulate you on your new position and to welcome you to Acuren. My name is Tal Pizy, and I'm the president of Acuren and affiliated companies. I'm happy that you've joined our team. I think there are many choices of places to work, and we're delighted to have you as part of the Acuren team. First, I want to share with you a little bit about our history and get into the culture at Acuren. Acuren is a business that started in 1990 with a small acquisition of a company in Longview, Texas, and that company has grown through acquisition. Some 50 companies have been acquired, and we've experienced above market growth throughout that 30-year period of time. Today we have more than 5,000 employees working from 90 offices, and we have really great depth. We're a market leader in non-destructive testing and materials engineering and rope access. So the company, as a result of these acquisitions, sort of is a fabric of many different companies. Most of these companies we've acquired, the leadership has stayed on and been part of this phenomenal growth story. We're a locally run business. The operations run through regional management structure across North America and the UK. And those local businesses are supported by standardized programs and functional area leaders. Those functional areas that you might be a part of are finance, our corporate development, which is really mergers and acquisitions. There's commercial group, technology, legal, human resources. Quality, health, safety, and environmental, or QHSE. So those are the functional areas of our business. The type of work we do is kind of in three buckets or three legs to our stool. We have non-destructive testing, which is our largest business area. Non-destructive testing includes visual inspection, it includes API type inspections, it includes all forms of advanced NDE technology. Secondly is engineering and lab. Our engineering businesses are largely around failure investigation and materials or metallurgical engineering expertise, where samples come to our labs and we determine the cause of failure. In supporting that, we have chemical analysis and mechanical testing and often machine shops to develop those test samples. And we also have some engineering expertise in mechanical areas in rotating equipment, condition-based monitoring, diagnostic analysis. So that's the engineering and lab work. And then we have rope access industrial services. The rope access work we do started primarily as non-destructive testing and engineering, our sort of core service lines, but it's evolved to include all forms of mechanical trades, things like welding, pipe fitting, insulation, and other forms of operator assistance. There's significant amount of creativity and innovation in how we do this work, and we're able to really help our customers do a phenomenal range of services from ropes. So now I'd like to talk a little bit about the culture at Acuren. Obviously being a company that has had fast growth and long-term growth through both acquisition and organic, growth is part of it. But I'll start with core values, people first. So we are a service business. We almost all of our revenue is from time and materials, people working at client sites or in our labs, and we bill for that by the hour. So we don't manufacture anything. It's about our people, and our people are experts who care about the work they do. They want to do a good job, and we provide exceptional service. Part of being a people-first business is that we want to treat people with dignity and respect. Everyone is owed that, and we expect that of you, and you should come to expect that with how you're treated at Acuren. We don't ever want to compromise safety or quality, and being people-first means we want opportunities for people to advance and grow within the company. So we're committed to training and supporting our growth with people that we have internally today. We believe our leaders are approachable, including myself, and you can connect with me at any time you want at asktal@acuren.com. Our second core value is integrity always. Integrity is a staple of this industry. We are inspecting the integrity of our customers' components, and we're often the last line of defense. And so, clearly, we can't speak about integrity from glass houses. We need to have integrity ourselves, which means we're honest. We don't do work that we're not comfortable with. We don't take on jobs that are a stretch for our capabilities or knowledge, and that we are honest with our customers, and that we always show the highest level of integrity. Our third value is pride in our work. We care about our work. We're passionate about this business we're in, and we do a good job. And in doing a good job, we have a good job. And there's a lot that goes on these job sites, and we want to, of course, work safe. We want to provide a quality product, but we also want to be productive. It's important that our customers know we care about the spend they have, and we care about the quality of the work we're doing. And I'm sure you've all seen, you've been to a restaurant where you've had great service, and you've been to a restaurant where you had poor service. We take pride, and we want to provide great service, and in doing that, we show up on time. We're professional, and I think that Acuren stands out as a professional company. Last core value is growth together, and this is a reflection of our long history, but also that we will continue to grow. And growing together means that we will work collaboratively, that we will support training and development of employees, and that we understand change is inherent, that we acquire companies and we work together, and that as we grow, there will be changes within the organization, and it's sort of a norm for us to have new initiatives each year, and new and better ways of doing things, that we're open and not afraid to think differently. So, those are the core values. Please, think about those. People first, integrity always, pride in our work, and growth together. And then we have a vision statement. That vision statement is to delivering unparalleled reliability through innovative people passionate about a safer world. So that's a lot to say, and maybe break it down into a few components for you. First of all, our tagline is a higher level of reliability, and that word reliability shows up also in our vision statement. And reliability, again, it's one of these words that has multiple meanings. We're reliable ourselves because we show up on time, we work safe, we care about productivity, we care about quality. We'd like to think that none of our customers will be fired for hiring Acuren, because Acuren is the best company. We're the most reliable company. But we also know that we work for companies' reliability department, and they're focused on the reliability of their assets, and we play a big role in that, whether we're doing failure analysis on a component that helps the customer ensure it won't fail again, or whether we're providing non-destructive testing on that component to find defects or flaws that might cause a failure if we hadn't found it. And we might be working off of ropes doing an inspection or a repair. So reliability is really core to our, as I say, our tagline is a higher level of reliability, but it's core to our vision is this delivering unparalleled reliability. Also in the vision statement is through innovative people that are passionate. And I think that, I spoke to that a little bit in the core values, that we care about the work we do. It has great purpose. And to say that we have people passionate about a safer world, it's a pretty big statement, but please know that in Acuren, the work we do does make the world safer. We are inspecting components that are critical to the operation of a refinery, a pulp and paper mill, it could be a nuclear power plant or a pipeline. We inspect parts on an aircraft that keep that plane in the sky. We inspect airbags in a car that keeps those passengers safe, or keeps the car on the road with some of the other components we might be testing. So the work we do is vitally important at Acuren, and I hope you sort of take that to heart and think about that every day, your contribution to this important essential service that Acuren provides. So with that, I'll conclude again by thanking you for choosing Acuren. I hope you have a great experience here, and please feel free to reach out to people for help. We want for sure, if you're concerned about safety or you're unsure of anything, please ask questions. We've got a great team of people here to support you and help you be successful in your new career. Thank you.